This Ouai body cream is worth buying just for the fragrance. Trust me. A friend of mine gifted me the scrub and I loved it so much. The smell, as you can see, it's empty. I need to go and order some more. So I thought, well, if the scrub is so good, the cream is bound to be great. And the same fragrance, which is called Melrose Place. That is the fragrance. It is, oh, it's stunning. I like it for that alone. And the smell. It is silky and smooth. So it's not too thick and it's not too thin either, too runny. It is, I mean, you can see it won't come out, but it is beautiful and smooth. You won't be sorry. Like I say, I finished the scrub already because it is that good. So I need to get more, and I'm already halfway through this one. So I highly recommend it. I hope you like it as much as I do. It's called Ouai, but Melrose Place, actual fragrance, because I believe there are other fragrance, but the smell of this one is beautiful. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I think you will as well. I hope you like it as much as I do.